welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, where I am going to use, this is actually paint splatter, and I'm going to turn it around, and I've got a few layering ones that I made, and it's going to look like algae, and these are going to be sticking out of them as if they were coming out of the seaweed, algae seaweed. So let's see how I make this all come together. Okay, so what I did off camera before I got started with what I'm doing here, I did take the wet paint that you see there and I flipped it around, and I wanted to try to make sure that everything was good on the way I wanted it, because I'm going to make these wet paint like splots or whatever look like algae, like I explained in the beginning part of this video, and have these fish kind of coming along inside of, it looked like an aquarium, or they were like inside seaweed, right? So that's what I did there, and then I roughed up all the edges and all that fun stuff just to make it so that it kind of pops out and have it kind of in different little spots. And then I come in with a lot of the embellishments. Now, I did want to back a lot of these up on foam tape so that they're seen and that they can be utilized, and they look kind of like different depths of the sea because of the waving of the waves. And I am using my How to Kill a Kit with Style. I am almost super done with that. Now, this video is going up with just a couple more days left of October, and I think I only have a couple more layouts left to go for this time period of, I think, yeah, for this trip. And so I'm almost done, so that's nice. I'm almost getting to the point where I'm not going to have much left to scrapbook on my Europe trips, and it's going to make me sad a little bit. Like, I still was trying to reminiscing. I've been making these go a little bit slow. Now, obviously, I've got a lot. I've still got some trips to do, but all my fun ones are coming to an end. I mean, they all were fun, but some of them were, just memories that Josh and I took because of his memories of being in the Army and all of that stuff, because we went back to his old ground and all this stuff. So we've got some photos still left over that I still can't wait to scrapbook for that. But make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. This is wet paint cut file, and I'll link it down below, along with all of the other new releases for the month of October, and all of just that fun stuff that Virginia does over there. I can't wait until you guys start to see what her November and her December looks like. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I had to sneeze. Because Christmas is just around the corner. I don't care. I'm going to talk about it. I love Halloween as well, but Christmas is around the corner, and I love that time of the year, especially for my December documented and all of that fun stuff. So pretty much now I'm done. Now I'm going to find these words that are from Heidi Swap to put around it. And this is so simple. This layout came together for me in 20 minutes. And I just love how it turns out. It's so simple, but it works well because I wanted to capture this face of this stingray because it's so cute. So I'm just finding the word. So I'm using the word explore and then discover. And it works, the color tones just work exactly, they're on point for me. Halloween is almost around the corner. We did quite a bit here in the month of October, I feel like. My husband, my daughter, and I, we had a fall festival that we went to. We did some apple picking. We went to an apple festival, all of that fun. Watched Hocus Pocus, got going on, the Halloween fall vibes. We were feeling chilly, and then all of a sudden, Georgia says that, nope, we're not going to get cold yet, so that all came back. Yippee, yippee. But yeah, so now I'm just going to round out with the stars, and just kind of bringing in just the little bits. And I do use Sunset Strip as my gold splatters throughout this. And then this is pretty much it. So make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. Make sure that you go and check out all of her new cut files. Check out the group, all of that fun stuff. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. Starting in January, starting through this year, you'll see a lot of December documented stuff, but then starting of the first year, I'm excited, super excited to release my second sketchbook and all of that stuff. All that stuff will be linked down below. Make sure you check out all of that. And yeah, I'm almost to 3,200 subscribers. That is so awesome, and I would just love to have you as part of my family. Make sure that you check out the still shots are coming up with all of the fine little bits. And you too can take a cut file and make it your own. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.